Why are you so beautiful?
That's because you look at me with the eyes of love.
Today we will talk about everyone's favorite and the number one king of his field. And to whom did that king give his heart and how did they meet? You will know everything in this episode, so stay tuned.
Every Friday tune into Love Talk Podcast, the number one show where love is broadcasted. From heart to heart, we share the secrets of romance. Join our hosts as they dive into love's expanse. Love Talk Podcast, you'll keep our tales say, bring you the truths of love for everyone to see. Relationship, health, advice that's true. Every Friday we'll be there for you.
Today's story is not about any common man. Today we will talk about a superstar whom the world known as Cristiano Ronaldo, a football legend, a style icon, and a family man. But friends, behind Ronaldo's goals is not just his talent. There is also a special companion who stood by him in every victory, every challenges, Georgiana Rodriguez. So let's start. Not a family, but a real and emotional love story of Cristiano Ronaldo and Georgiana. A story which has faith, fame, and a true relationship. Cristiano Ronaldo was born in a very poor family in Portuguese. The situation was such that his parents and siblings lived in the same room. His father died at the age of 52 due to excessive drinking. He was a brilliant football player since childhood. He was not interested in studies. Once a teacher in school said something to him, and in anger, he threw a chair at him. He was expelled from school. Then his studies also stopped. At the age of 14, he became famous as Portuguese football wonderkid. After this, he never looked back. Today we will tell you how a simple-looking Argentina girl meets the world's richest footballer and how their love blossoms. There was a time when Georgiana Rodriguez was living a simple life. But today, Georgiana travels in private jets and can buy whatever she wants. Their relationship is very strong. But the question arises that why did the world's most successful and rich footballer, Cristiano Ronaldo, choose this girl who lives a simple life? Georgiana had a passion for dance since childhood, but she was not able to make much money from it. After which Georgiana chose the job of a waiter in her hometown, where after some time and despite the lack of money, Georgiana had big dreams and hoped that one day she would live her dreams. But the Georgiana went to London and learned English, after which she went to the Spanish capital, Madrid, and got a job as a shop assistant in Gucci showroom. Georgiana worked hard so that she could pay her house rent and travel by bus daily for her work. Even at the time, Georgiana was fond of luxury brands but did not have enough money to buy them. Then a day came when Georgiana met the world's most successful footballer, Ronaldo, and from there her life changed. But how did this meeting happen? It was the dreams of many girls to get Cristiano Ronaldo. Ronaldo was handsome, successful, and also the world's highest paid athlete. During his sports career, Ronaldo earned $1 billion, that is 8,000 crore rupees, and at a young age. He was seen in the hearts of beautiful women. Ronaldo dated actress Gemma Athikins, Brazilian model Jordana Judel, political model, TV presenter Merchi Romero, and many other beautiful women. But his longest relationship was with Russian top model Irina Shayk, which lasted for 5 years. Ronaldo always wanted to have a family and children. Ronaldo dated many actresses, models, and TV hosts, but all were busy in their career. And in the year 2010, Ronaldo became a father for the first time. At that time, he was in a relationship with American waiters, after which Ronaldo gave women up to 10 million so that she could keep the identity of the child a secret. And years later, Ronaldo became the father of 2 children, who were born through surrogacy. Once again, no one knew the name of the child's mother, although Ronaldo desperately wanted a loving partner who could stay with him and look after his children. Georgiana saw a handsome man standing there and kept looking at him, after which his life changed. It was love at first sight. Although after a few months of first meeting, both of them started dating each other. After which Ronaldo told in an interview that he did not believe that when he would meet Georgiana.
On my first date with Cristiano, I got a little jealous. I asked him, Ronaldo, who was your first love? Can you remember her? Then he turned to me with that charming smile and said, listen, Gio, I had many girlfriends before you, but none of them worked like you. But my first love, I'll never forget her. Because if it wasn't for her, there would be no Cristiano Ronaldo. Then I turned to him and I couldn't help myself. I quickly asked, then who is she? A model? Cristiano looked at me, a little emotional, and said, no, Georgina, she's not a model. She's my mom. When I was young, she sacrificed everything to make my life comfortable. How can I forget her love? And in that moment, I felt so proud to be with him, because the man who never forgets his mother's love is the man who truly understands what love is.
He would fall in love so much, but after some time, he became convinced that this was the girl with whom he wanted to spend his life. When Georgiana came to work, she used to come by bus, but she used to go back in luxurious Bugatti car. After some time, Georgiana left her job, and then in the year of 2017, she was seen with Ronaldo for the first time in a social event, after which it was confirmed that both of them were dating. Both of them looked very good with each other. Georgiana's life changed after meeting Ronaldo, and now Georgiana does not have to travel by bus to work every day. Now she travels in a private jet. She is associated with many brands and also earns a lots of money. However, this is not surprising because her boyfriend is also the most followed person on Instagram. Ronaldo has 553 million followers. In the year 2017, Georgiana and Ronaldo had their first child. Their daughter's name was Alana Martina. This was Ronaldo's fourth child. Ronaldo was very happy that he found love and a mother to take care of the children. Georgiana was an expert in her work and started taking care of the children. And now Ronaldo gave his girlfriend 1 lakh euros every month so that they can run everything properly. And it is believed that this money is used for personal expenses and childcare. After which in October 2021, Ronaldo and his girlfriend announced that going to give birth to twins, a son and a daughter, for whom they were eagerly waiting. Now in April 2022, the news comes that Ronaldo and Georgiana themselves told that the son is no more in this world even before he was born, and they could save only the daughter. They wrote this post on Instagram and also informed about this sad news. This was the biggest tragedy in their family, which took them a long time to overcome, and they were also worried about what they would tell their injured child about this. And after some time, they finally told their children about this, and after this tragedy, their relationship became stronger. Ronaldo said that, I have never found myself so happy and sad at the same time. It is very difficult to express it in words. Ronaldo said that he was now become closer to Georgiana and that he has fallen in love with her even more, and that he now see life from a different perspective. Ronaldo and Georgiana are now raising 5 children together, but he still misses her son, who is no longer between them. But now they are happily living together again, and most importantly, Ronaldo has finally found a life partner who will always stand by him in his good and bad times. Do you think this love is forever?
Love Talk Podcast by Koda RJ Pawan is a popular podcast where Pawan discusses various topics related to love, relationships, and personal growth. He often delves into real-life stories, interviews, and lessons on emotional intelligence and connections. One of the highlights of the podcast is the deep dive into celebrity love stories, like the episode on Sundar Pichai's true love story, where Pawan shares inspiring anecdotes from Sundar's life, emphasizing the importance of love, dedication, and understanding in a successful relationship. The episodes blend entertainment with insightful reflections on relationships, offering listeners advice and motivation on navigating their personal lives. The podcast tone is warm, engaging, and often motivational, helping people explore their own experiences with love and connection.